If you have not watched the part 1 of this video, the part 2 and the part 3 of this video, you are about to miss out. I will recommend you watch the first part, second part, and the third part. This video, it went viral. That is why I'm doing the reaction of this particular video based on the comments on this section. So I'm replying to the comments and also reacting on it. So stay till the end of this video so that you can learn from what people are writing on the comment section. If you have not watched the full video, check on the description of this particular video to watch the full video. And also in the comment, I'll pin the full video on the comment too. Don't miss out. The first comment that we are actually reacting to is from King Daniel. He said, there are many white and black foreigners in Nigeria buying property in Nigeria. I myself came from abroad, bought land in Lekki Phase 1. I am on the project. I have peace of mind, no tax payment on land. Black Americans are here too. You can't know. Now in Milton, Florida, is destroyed. Destroyed now with hurricane and flood. I think from what King Daniel is trying to say is, I think what he's saying in a nutshell is other foreigners are coming to buy property in Nigeria, and you, Nigeria, you're not buying property. I have a couple of clients who are not Nigerians who are buying properties in Nigeria. John, let me tell you one of the recent. One lady called me. Immediately we started talking, I noticed that our intonation was not a Nigerian intonation, and I asked her, "Where are you from?" He said it's from Nairobi. I said, "Okay, Nairobi. So what do you want to do?" He said, "I want to buy land in Nigeria." I said, "Why?" He said he has heard so many good things about Nigeria. Somebody from Nairobi. I've heard so many good things in Nigeria, and somebody in Nigeria is hearing only negative parts. And there are so many Nigerians in diaspora who do not believe in Nigeria anymore because of what they are enjoying in diaspora. No, you need to believe in this country, and because foreigners are coming in, Chinese are coming in to take your land. Chinese are coming in, investing heavily, and you are in diaspora. You are believing in someone else's land, and they are running away and coming to your own country. Americans are coming here. British are coming here. They are seeing what you're not seeing. I went out, I saw a Chinese in a bush walking with slippers, and he's living in that village. He's not even living in town. And I know that there's something he's doing for him to live in that village, in the village. It means that there's something he's doing. In Ekpe, there are Chinese village in Ekpe. They run a wood company in Ekpe. All their staff, they are Chinese. Most of their staff are Chinese. They are bringing them more to come and work, and you are rushing, and because of the temporary enjoyment you are enjoying, and that's in diaspora, you think that Nigeria is a mess. No, start thinking. Think otherwise. According to according to Very Dark Man, you will learn the hard way. So thank you, King Daniel, for this feedback, and for you. If you live in Milton, Florida, very, very sorry for what happened. And so many houses we are gone, so many lives we are gone. I'm sorry for that if you're affected. So, but you have to start thinking of Nigeria, because things like this in Nigeria, we don't have all these all these disasters in Nigeria. Our own is man-made because of our leaders' greed. So, which means that we can control it. But things like this that happen in Florida has not happened in Nigeria. Let me know has not happened in Nigeria. So, which means that God bless us with good weather, with so many good things. So let's go to next one. So this is from Wisin Biao 4454, an African American telling us the story. Make it more authentic and real. Just come with some skill and taste another word. The African hospitality, love, welcoming, and fresh air. The rich culture, the tradition, the music, and a lot of historical sights and scene. Africa is home. Is telling us that Africa is actually home. With our culture, with our rich tradition, with our music. Even African music is even going around the world. Anywhere you go, you'll be hearing Nigerian music, African music taking over the world. So we are blessed. We are actually blessed. If you're looking at investing in Nigeria, or when you're looking at investing, not if, because I want you to invest in Nigeria, when you are ready, or even they're not ready, the number on the screen is a number. Call the number on the screen. Let's start conversation. Even though you're not ready now, but just call the number. Let's make this happen for you. Do you hear me? Yeah. Ray Chan 7292 said, a couple at the background testifying the truth our brother is saying. Sometimes I wish hearing cock crow, because people like us that grew up in the city in Lagos, and we don't have where people have cock that crow. We miss that part of the village. Whenever I go to the village and I hear that cock crow, there's a vibe that comes with it. It's a signified nature. Yeah. When last did you hear a cock crow? You in diaspora. When last in the last 5 years have you heard cock crow? In short, have you even seen a live cock? For the last 1 year, if you've seen, say in the comment section. Let's hear from you. So let's go. Susan said, we don't know what we have, my brother. That's true. We don't know what we have. That's the sincere truth. So we need to start coming back to ourselves and appreciate what we have. Abiloye said, this is the best video I've watched in so long. God bless you, bro. I pray they don't frustrate you, and I pray there is good security in Nigeria and eradication of mosquito, which are all possible if our government put the money in the right places, not in their pockets. All of us in diaspora will come back home. I understand what you're saying, Abby. So the part that what you just said now is the mosquito. Yeah, mosquito, I understand. I know if we have good drainage system, water flow properly, mosquito will not have mosquito. And also in some country like Singapore, and I saw them manufacturing mosquito, the male mosquito that will go and sleep with the female mosquito, and when that happens, the female mosquito will die. And because most of the time it's the female mosquito that transmits the parasite. So everything being equal, things can be done. I understand what you're saying. Then Kudirat also said, thanks, bro. True story. The best advice ever. Yeah, good one, Kudirat. So Jackson said, incredible world with quality advice. Mama, Africa, the land are so pure. Good one, Jackson. Solid video, brother. That is from remote admin JJ. You are inspiration, bro. Your mindset is on point. Nigeria is an amazing place. Also, try to equally invest in security, because that is the only thing lacking just a bit. Security in America is still worse, though I live in the US close to 40 years, so I know it as a fact. I now live between Nigeria and Canada 50-50. Oh, sorry, Nigeria and US 50-50 until I attain full retirement age. I'm loving it. So this woman, Glory, he lives in America for 40 years. And according to what he said, that security in America is worse. He said, I live here. Insecurity in America is still worse, though. He said it. 40 years. She has lived 40 years in US, and she's saying that. So you should believe someone like that. And now she said that she's living between Nigeria and US 50-50 until full retirement. Good one, Glory. So which means that when you come back, she has started coming back little by little, and which is what was said in that video. And it's a very good decision, I can tell you. This is a very good decision. So Mr. Bean said, true freedom, brother. In West, nobody owns anything. Don't say this to someone, but that's the truth. In West, most of the things that you own You don't own it because you borrow it. It's borrow. Banks can come and collect it if you don't have money to pay. That is the sincere truth. This from Francis. Nice video, bro. I wish all Africa can have this kind of mindset and mentality. Keep up, bro. One love. Good one. Kelechi said peace of mind. What we have in Nigeria is peace of mind. Any peace you don't have in Nigeria, you can never have it any other place. We have peace of mind in Nigeria. Accept it. Those of you in Nigeria, you will not understand until you go out of the country. You will understand. This from CMC. You see Michael. He said there are two categories of Nigeria: the one making money and the one who love to complain. Then the question is, which one are you? Are you the one that make the money or the one that love complaining? Make your choice wisely. So I will end this video here. So I will still react to more comments as people keep on reacting. So you might see the next part. The part 5 of this. You might see it. So, but one thing I want to say is this: if you're looking at investing in Nigeria, you need to contact the right person, the right company, and landproperty.ng is the right company to contact. Call us. Let's make this happen for you. Don't forget to comment and ask your question and react to this video. And what do you think about all these comments? I'll wait for your feedback on the comment section, and share this video to your friends, and also call the number on the screen. Let's make this happen for you. Thank you. Invest wisely, invest in Nigeria, and call the right person. Contact us. Bye for now.